the sleep was actually so shit.
Very sick, and we slept like shit.
Finally something to eat.
Do you saved us, man?
I mean, that would be too good to be true.
This is what it looks like to get bitten by 15 sandflies and then 15 mosquitoes.
Coca-Cola with ice and lemon.
Nice, finally something to eat.
I need to fish very soon.
Yeah, catching some losses today.
Cheers, guys.
This is like the first one after how many days?
I'm excited to go home.
Whew. We just woke up almost everyone at the same time, and this is the second night. And yesterday we unlocked the hammock and we were so happy that we could sleep in the hammock, but the sleep was actually so shit. For each of us, we slept better just naked, or naked floor, I mean. Was way better than like this. I don't know how, but yeah. And we all couldn't sleep that well. So just brush my teeth. I'm gonna open a coconut for everyone, hydrate it a little bit, and then let's do some work.
So, I mean, today's officially day 3. I can't believe that I already can say that. Already day 3. And my plan for now is nothing for everyone's plan. I'm going to take a shit. Oh well, that went great. Yeah, pretty good.
Ready for fish, ready for harpoon fishing.
Let's try this.
Nice. Still early in the morning. Alter, sicher dit! Heb je een vis? Alter, zit heavy.
Spannend. Zu einer Krampf.
Come on. Oh! Ah, schmacko.
Alright, I went now, I don't know, 2 hours, 1.5 hours spearfishing with this thing. It's like kinda a slingshot, and the way it works, you pull this all the way down here and then you can release it. But I don't know, this was so difficult. And I had sometimes fish in front of me, didn't work. How's the mood today?
I feel very sick. Very sick. And we slept like shit.
Yeah, I slept like shit. Yeah, I think the mood today is not the best. Not much energy.
We've been catching some losses today. It was weird because yesterday was good.
Yeah.
But then we slept really bad. And then we tried to do the poo-poo. That
Yeah.
was not good.
I read too much coconut water, that gives you diarrhea.
I can confirm.
I need to fish very soon.
Okay, I was telling him it's like every day we get like a little less and less. But if we had like a fish meal, I think we could.
Yeah.
Like the same with the coconut, like 2 days before, you know, when we found them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a new highlight, a new
Yeah,
something
it gave
gives
us
you.
energy again.
All right, the last guy of the group is coming. Let's ask this guy what he thinks.
Come over here, young man.
Got some couple questions for you.
The people want to know. Oh, how's the mood for you today?
The mood. After a shitty night, I think the mood, or my mood is so meh. I think Yesterday was much better after finding so many coconuts.
Yeah.
And yeah, I tried fishing as well. It
Yeah.
got stuck on the
Corals,
reefs
huh?
and corals. That's shit.
Yeah.
Because when you throw the hook, then after 5 seconds it's got stuck.
Oh, you have to walk out.
I have to walk out and then free it. So, let's see. We need some success today.
Go for it.
1
Bring-
to 4 is
Give
an
us
unlock.
luck.
5
Wait.
luxury item.
Third day? Today's the third day?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Third
get a
day.
six.
Nothing.
No.
Oh, the
Beauty of the
luxury
side.
item.
Okay, maybe roll it into this bamboo thing. No!
6.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
No. Wait, which means
Nothing.
we
Nothing.
can
No.
roll a second time?
We say we can roll a second time. But if it hits 6 again, it's over.
When
Like
can
a
we
second
roll
time,
again?
Like right now or at the evening? I would say
I
now.
thought after 2 hours or something.
2 is already going away.
He's already like, fuck that shit. I needed that for.
Oh, damn it.
Okay, we still have a chance to make a fire without
Yeah.
fire.
Well.
Not our day.
But difficult if it would rain, but I
Yeah.
would really like it.
But at least the sun is not so strong.
Yeah. I like this weather. This is much better. Yesterday was too hot.
Yeah.
Weird.
So we each of us drink a coconut now, and then we're gonna hunt some more coconut. Yesterday we scouted.
And then we will
3 trees.
understand our total everything. Like, that's all our research.
Yeah, that's our total.
Yeah, then we know.
But it should
Yeah,
work
that's
out until we get picked up. So, cheers, guys.
Alright, here we have my improvised stick that can cut 2 palm trees with the machete. And first it didn't look like any success, but I got 1 coconut. What? Woo! Dude, not this one.
Because, right, you gotta save your energy. Just like Kim and I are saving our energy. Notice the technique as he uses his gigantic thighs to wrap around this tree. Both demure and authoritative. When you hear him express doubt, it's actually just a facade. He's trying to lower the guard of those around him, to lure in vulnerable prey. This is an Alvin in his prime environment. Okay, but seriously, be careful. Hey, Cindy, if he can never walk again, it was because of this. So, this is underneath a mosquito net. This is what it looks like to get bitten by 15 sandflies and then 15 mosquitoes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Look at this.
And that's not even all of
Look
them,
at
right?
this. That is
looks
so
shit.
nasty.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh man. That's actually quite steep. Incoming. Yes, nice. Do you saved us, man?
No, we saved us.
Ah.
We did this.
And what do you say about our huge pile of coconut?
I say-
30.
Manly, alpha.
Oh yes.
We conquered.
Oh.
We're very tired.
30 coconut from 1 tree.
Because we can really
We can just drink.
we can freely drink.
Yeah.
And that's like the day one. Remember day one we were just like excited and stuff?
Yeah.
That's what we needed.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Success, guys. Look what I found. 4 spider crabs, 4 all at the same spot, and another one before, so we have 5. So that's something new. Woo! Nice, finally something.
I think we got enough coconuts for, yeah, we can just enjoy until we get rescued. Right. And also Michi fished some crabbies. So we unlocked the firestone.
You're right, it's midday, the sun is hot again. We had a long break. He's making coconuts. And we found this on the beach. A big bottle. It actually looks a little bit ugly. It has like some brown stuff inside. I smelled on it and it smells like water. I mean, that would be too good to be true. But to find out, we're gonna pour some of this into my live straw. Then I'm gonna put this over my shirt just to block some. That's drinking water. Yeah. You wanna try some fresh water?
No way. This is like the first water after how many days?
3, that's the
3 days?
first day.
Okay. Huh?
You gonna drink it?
Yeah. You not? What about you? You scared?
Maybe.
Maybe.
After my poo-poo this morning?
Sugar. Like normal water.
It's normal water.
It's normal
It's
water.
normal water.
I mean, I think without that live straw I wouldn't drink it.
Nah,
not.
I wouldn't drink it.
Nah.
I would boil it, yeah, boil it, filter
somehow,
and boil
filter
it.
10 times.
I've never missed the taste of water that much.
I'm trying weaving. I think that's what I called. But shit, it's difficult. I saw a video once and I thought I could easily recreate it. But maybe I just suck at weaving. Well, I didn't give up with the one I started with. It looks a little better. It looks a little bit like something, but it would still be a long way to go.
And a fire.
Oh wow, yeah.
Alright, we unlocked the fire starter. Let's
This
see.
has to work. If we can't do this, we're not meant to survive. Imagine it's this hard with a firestone. How did that actually
I
work?
don't know, like it just felt like the last try.
Wait, this is burn good.
Wait, this is gonna.
And it's gone.
The fire. Woo!
Made it raw.
Raw, of
Cool.
course. Nice, we finally, day 3, got the fire. We got the fire.
We actually got 30 coconut, and I must say we can easily survive until we get rescued. For tonight, it's gonna be a chill at the fireplace with finally meat. Let's see how we cook this. Yeah, and then the last day. Let's see how it's going.
In the morning we got up all super fast and yeah, I went to snorkel. I didn't catch any fish, but I did catch spider crabs. I can show them later. They look kind of nice. First I caught one, and I went back, and then I found 4. So yeah, now we have 5 of them. Finally something to eat.
We have a fire today. Maybe you saw it. With a little help though, but we have a fire, so we can start making a little instant coffee tomorrow morning and have a good start. So let's see how it goes. I'm really looking forward also to have a normal meal again, you know, just some Coca-Cola with ice and lemon. Drinking coconut water for 3 days is crazy, but better than nothing. We took our first shit, also with a nice view, you know. Yeah, so let's see how it goes.
Definitely the hardest day so far. That was really bad. Or the morning was terrible. I spent a lot of time this morning just sitting in the water. That was really nice. It felt like I wasn't thinking about anything. I was just sitting in the water. Yeah. I mean, how often do you just sit in the water for an hour? Not on your phone, not reading or anything. I'm excited to go home. This has been very uncomfortable, a lot of suffering. And I'm not saying that's terrible, but I think I'm not sure what I'm looking for. You know, like, will I suffer a bunch and then discover something about myself? I don't think so. So I'm not sure what I'm looking for right now. Yeah, this was a hard day, but it ended very successfully. I guess that's a story of life.
Holy shit!
What the fuck?
The bamboo!
That's quite enough.
Yeah, look at
wow.
this.
Sit down. Gonna eat this. How does it call again, Michael?
Spider crab.
Spider crab.
Pretty easy to catch.
Yeah, they're just on the floor. Right, luxury item.
Okay, well then it's gonna be the sauce.
This
Vietnamese shit. Sriracha sauce. Nice.
Sriracha.
Look at this, guys. Oh my god, that's
okay,
a lot
bigger
of
than
meat.
I expected, man. Wow.
First bite for Michael.
bite.
Do it! Alright, let's see.
Is it good?
Yeah, man.
Yes, it is. Nice.
Dude!
It has such a nice salt taste.
Oh! Oh! Good but chewy.
The flavor's definitely good.
This 1, 2. Look at this.
This looks really juicy.
Yeah. Huge.
Wow.
Come on! Oh my gosh.
This double technique. You guys need to start trying this double technique.
In the middle of the night, I can't sleep anymore. I don't know why, because maybe of the waves, or it's just always a long night. I don't know what time it is, but I just came to the fire pit here and tried to lit up again so that we have a fire in the morning. And yeah, maybe I just listen to the waves, sleeping next to the fire. Yeah, I will see you in the morning.
Just talked, and now we did it. Okay, no!
Oh my god.